Hi there everybody, this is Diane with Plant-Based Dallas, and we're back here checking off how our Instapot 3 ingredients at once did. Remember, I'm using my handy magnets for that so that I can know what to cook with what. Alrighty, this is ready, it has cooled, and we have polenta, lentils, and quinoa all at the same time. So let's check it out and see how it did. Okay, there's our polenta. Now I'm going to use this and spread it in a thinner dish to let it set, but it looks like that's just perfect. So the polenta worked. I don't have any spices in it either right now, so I'll probably spice it up before I put it in a container. So there's the polenta. That worked. Now here down on the bottom, if you can see this, I have the trivet here that I had put in. It's a little hot. But you see, here is the lentils and the quinoa. There's still a little bit of water in there, but again, that's okay, because we are going to drain it off anyway. But I want to show you. There you go. There's your lentils and your quinoa. So it does work. I'm going to drain this out using a really small sieve like this, and then rinse it and put it in a jar. So there you go. 3 things at one time. It works. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.